Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? God bless you everyone everywhere. Today's recipe is Deghi Yakhni Pulao. In the name of Allah. Start the recipe now. Add 1 kilo chicken in big pan. Add 1 teaspoon saunf. Add 1 teaspoon sabit dhania. Add sabit 1 teaspoon. Add 1 piece badian kartai. Add 10 cloves. Add 10 black pepper. Add 2 piece bay leaf. Add for cardamom. Add 1 piece javitori. Add 1 piece cinnamon. Add 2 tablespoons salt. Add 1 onion, cut it for pieces. Add ginger 1-inch piece. Add garlic 1 pot. Add 4 glass water. Please subscribe my channel. Add 1 tablespoon oil at this stage for safety reasons. Boiling yakhni. Chicken ready for Deghi Yakhni. Meat after completing yakhni. Yakhni is ready. Filter this yakhni and separate chicken from it. On the burner to preparations for pulao. First of all, we add 1 cup ghee in the pan. Add ghee because pulao is cooked tasty as compared to oil. Add chopped onion. Fry it till color is brown. Onion color become golden brown. At this stage, add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Add 1 black cardamom and 2 pieces of cinnamon. Mix it very well. Add 1 cup of beaten yogurt and mix it speedy. Add chicken at this stage. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon warming spices powder. Add ½ teaspoon zira powder. Add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add green chilies paste. Please subscribe and support my channel, like and share. At this stage we don't add salt, we add salt after adding yakhni. Add 2 tomatoes cutting in slices. Add 2 small lemon, cutting it in slices. Add ½ cup water. It is a very memorable recipe, surely you will try it home. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Soft well all ingredients. Add chicken soup or yakhni at this time. Add 1 kilo rice dipped in water before cooking for 30 minutes. Rice must be without water when add in pan. Add green 3 chilies finger shape cutting without seeds. Add more water according to rice quantity. Water level would be 1 inch up from rice ingredient. It is a tip. Cover up at this time. After 10 minutes, see the rice condition. Mix it very softly and add 5 to 6 pieces of tamarind imli. Mixing softly, continue. At this stage, add mint leaves and curry patta leaves. Cover it up to 10 minutes at very low heat. Dam. After 10 minutes, open it. Wow, mashallah, very good looking and delicious pulao ready. Special tip for checking the rice cooked: touch your hand strongly at rice. If rice pick up your hand, that means well cooked. Now dish out very politely in a big dish. Mashallah, good looking colorful Deghi Yakhni Pulao ready. Eat it with yogurt, mix with green chilies, zira, or as you like. Please subscribe my channel, helping grow it up. It's for you and your friends and family, children also. Remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.